Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS if drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to use the OnePlus Nord 2 and let's see how is the overall FPS count will be there in the drop test. As you can see right now. So I'll try to explain to you friends how you can actually get the 90 FPS as well in the video itself. So right now let's first look at the drop test. So this is a 90 FPS drop test which I'm trying to do exactly in the boot camp. And right now as you can see, so I was not feeling well friends at this moment. That's the reason I'm not uploading as much as videos as possible today. So right now as you can see exactly the FPS drop, how much it's happening at this moment. In the bootcamp it dropped to 81 FPS as well during this process of testing. 71 is the lowest value which we did see in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can see the overall FPS of it's maintaining 87 FPS and 88. Not bad. So to get the 90 FPS in the OnePlus Nord 2, you need to use the GFX file or maybe config file. Only in that way you'll be able to get at 90 FPS because right now it's not updated, right? So in the Play Store you'll be able to search the GFX tool application 90 FPS for PUBG. Same this application will work for the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So you can actually get 90 FPS using this kind of GFX tool. But one quick note, using this kind of GFX tool will definitely sometimes make cause your account block as well. So you need to take care about those kind of things as well, friends, before you try this kind of things. So I totally don't recommend you to do at this moment. So let me to use this Realme triggers. Let's see how is overall gameplay. Yep. Yes, it's working fine. And overall in the team match it was able to maintain 88 and 89. $88-89 FPS, not bad. CPU and the GPU utilization you can see 46% and 50% utilization is there. CPU and the GPU. So 87 FPS, not bad. So overall 87 and 88 FPS we're getting, friends, exactly. So overall as you can see, it was able to maintain pretty good FPS, 87 and 88, not bad. So only using this kind of GFX tool you will be able to play at 90 FPS, friends, in the OnePlus Nord 2 or any other smartphone as well. Right now as you can see, utilization not bad. Right now as you can see, friends, overall the FPS pretty good. So definitely friends, OnePlus Nord 2 will be able to play at 90 fps consistently, but that you can see the temperatures, what's happening. Temperatures reached up to 32 and 33, not bad. So usually playing with the 90 fps, the temperatures can definitely increase high and high very much. That's something you should know about the temperatures. Let's do the one more match and then I'll try to end up this video. And even right now we cannot use the voice changers. I mean, the game doesn't support any kind of voice changer even at this moment as well. That's something you should know in the OnePlus Nord 2, which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So even the default graphics, Ultra HD as well, not updated friends in the OnePlus Nord 2. HDR and XTRIMS also not updated. But overall you can see 89, 88 FPS, not bad. Let me know in the comment section below friends on what other smartphones you want me to upload 90 FPS gameplay testing on what other smartphones. I can literally do the testing on other devices as well. So friends, this is the quick 90 FPS gameplay test in the OnePlus Nord 2. These are the gameplays exactly. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and there's a quick FPS drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.